Are you aware that the strongest are the gentlest? Yung mga mukhang tough. Yung kilala yung taong sobrang lakas. Yung mga taong akala mo'y walang kahinaang pinagdadaanan sa buhay, the tough ones. You know what? They are the gentlest. Most of the time, they are the gentlest amongst us. Isa pa dito yung mga smart looking. Pansin nyo ba yung mga smart, quiet lang? The smartest are quiet. Pero yung mga wala namang masyadong alam, maingay. Alam niyo yung kasabihan na pag ang lata walang masyadong laman, maingay. Eto pa, the wealthiest are the simplest. The wealthiest are simple. But on the other hand, yung opposite niyan, masyado silang magarbo. Diba? To the extent of showing off. But it's the other way around. Eto, the happiest people are very private. The happiest people are private. Aminado ako dito. Sana ikaw din. Kung ako lang, just be real. Be authentic. Para masaya ka. To sum it all up, real power doesn't need to prove itself. Bakit pa? Hindi kailangan.